Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So carrying on with the NB4 Plus quick vids, we've got the steering in the right direction, but we need our endpoint set because we don't want to be over stressing our servo and we don't want to be turning too far. So for this one, we're going to go into menu, we're going to click endpoint, and first thing I would do on this is make sure your steering is in the right direction because it'll affect your endpoints. But we're going to want to set up our steering so we're not overstressing a servo. So if you turn left or right, you'll see it swap. You can force the one that you're doing. If you just tap on screen. But generally, if you turn the direction you're going, you'll see the selection menu change. So if we want to change our left hand turn, we're going to start by backing this down, and I like to back it down so it's quite a bit off, and then if we just slowly increase as turning, you will get to a point where it's reaching its maximum, but it's not overstressing the servo. And I like to just back it off a little bit. Because I don't really want to be going to full lock. So if we do the same for opposite direction, we can either tap on the screen to force it to right, or if you turn it to right, it'll change automatic. So a good start is to get it down to the same number, but as you see with RCs, they're not always exact, but it's a good starting point. And then once you get it so you're turning the same both directions and you're not stressing your servo, then you can just back out of this menu and you've got your steering set up so you're not overstressing the servo, and it should result in fewer burnt out servos, and at least you've got your steering correct. So, just a quick video on how to set up your endpoints for your steering, and should make your life easier setting up the RC. So, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.